Well, it's February the 16th.
Decided to do a bit of maintenance on the Honda 250 SX three-wheeler. Last night I hooked up the battery charger. So this morning I'm gonna go start her up and fix the front tire on it finally. All right, this is what I call 80s alley. We've got the 82 moped PA52, it's an 82. And we've got the 84 XR350R. And then we've got the 86 Honda 250 SX three-wheeler. And the battery charger says full, so that means it took a charge, thankfully. Throw the fenders and seat back on, and then we'll try starting her up. And way under here somewhere, we've got the 1987 Suzuki Quad Runner LTW four-wheel drive. It's another good old 80s machine. And then of course you got my dad's 70s machine, 1970 Skidoo Olympic. All right, well, let's see if this trike will fire up in -7 weather Celsius, -7 Celsius. Should have no problem, but I haven't started it in, I would say, probably 10 months. Because the problem, it's hard to see, but the problem is that front tire there is completely flat. I had been running tire slime in it for a while, and that had kept the leaks at bay for a good year, 2 years, but finally it just dry rotted out, and not even tire slime could keep pressure in those tires. Actually, one thing you should always do before starting up your machines when they've been sitting a while is check to make sure no mice have built a nest in your air filter. Oh, look at that. Nice and clean, no mice nests. I was thinking of cleaning that filter, but clearly I don't need to. I must have cleaned
That's
it.
the filter there, is it?
Yeah, I must have cleaned it before I put it away. Okay. Oh, one more time and I think she'll idle. Alright, so let's get this in the garage and get that tire on. No, you just have to hit the start button now. Kill switch.
Oh, that's the thing. I should have put it on. different from the front license plate. And the reason we didn't notice that is because 2 numbers were reversed.
Oh.
Aside from that, the license plates were identical. And it was really bizarre. Like, I don't know the story behind it about how that came to be, but it's...
Never got stopped anyway, eh?
Yeah.
Never got pulled over.
No. I don't...
Well, we got the front tire off. Sometimes the axle can be a little tricky to get out if it hasn't been removed in a long time, but luckily this came out very easily. Also remember not to lose your spacer, your right-hand spacer when you remove the axle.
The old guy.
Hey Jasper. So there we go. Now the next step is to obviously get that rubber off. I'm going to change the brake shoe while I'm at it. Here's the new rubber. Might have to use the fire bead trick with this one because shipping kind of mangled it, or not mangled, but warped it a bit. And I've got a couple brake shoes for the front mirror that I'm going to install on that. Got these from Fortnine. I think about $30 for the front. Pretty decent. All right, time to continue. And this, folks, is why you should try to avoid tire slime at all costs. What a mess. Pretty sure these were the original 1986 tires. I'll have to confirm that, but I'm pretty sure this was the original front rubber on it. And factory rubber is notoriously hard for getting off the rim, or breaking the bead, I should say. And I tried and tried and tried, I couldn't, so I ended up just cutting it off. But what I want to show you right now is just the grossness that is tire slime. It made a absolute mess. So now I gotta deal with this slime coated rim. It's gonna take me some scrubbing and washing to get that crap off. And look what it puked up on my tire changing station. Gonna have to clean up the snow too. Don't want to have an environmental hazard. Who knows what the hell's in this green shit. So time to start cleaning the rims. I guess, or rim. I'm gonna fill this up with some warm soapy water and hopefully get all that green crap off. This looks like a leprechaun murder scene. Alright, just got finished replacing the brake shoes. They had some uneven wear, it's strange. The top side here, there's quite a bit of shoe left, but on the bottom side, absolutely nothing. Now it's time to tackle the real job, putting the rubber on the rim. Now that I finally have the rim all cleaned and the rubber off of it, it was quite the ordeal, let me tell you, to get this rubber off that rim. Again, because it was the original tire, there was a lot of cutting, and to get to those steel belts, they're just so tight on the rim. It took a lot of prying and cutting and swearing. It was a nasty job. Complete!
Yeah.
What a job. I do not envy people who change tires for a living. I guess you'd get better at it and you'd have some, cool toys to work with maybe. More than just type of tools I had access to, but finally on there. So, can't wait to take it for a rip.